Hello my friends, in this video we will learn that how to write essay on my best friend in 200 words. So friends, without wasting time, let's get started. My best friend. A person's best friend is the closest and most special person in that person's life. I have many friends, but my best friend's name is Sumit. He is my classmate. We sit on the same desk in the school. We go to school together. We spend most of our time together. We always go to places like the mall, mountains and lakes. Together we go most everywhere. He comes of noble family. His father is a famous doctor and his mother is a teacher. He is only son of his parents. Sumit has many qualities. He is an ideal student. He is very punctual in coming to school. His behavior is model for other students. He is very polite, good manners and sweet-tempered. He always wears neat and clean dress. He believes in simple living and high thinking. He helps the poor and the needy. He always tries to learn from others. He is a great help to me in my studies also. He is the captain of our school cricket team for the last 3 years. He has won many trophies for the school in the district level cricket tournaments. He is a good singer and dancer also. I am proud of my friend. So friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video. Thank you.